Now, this is another step. Because you see, the maximum number of gyration is mentioned. So here keep this thing in mind. First, we had steady end s, which is equal to 100 gyration. Now, my point of view is changed. I want to see what would be its effect when the specimen is being compacted up to the maximum number of gyration. Clear? Now I want to see the effect when I am using this maximum number of the gyration. Here, if it is a procedure, it is clearly mentioned that percentage of Gmm at the rate of Nmax, when it is being taken, its value should not exceed 98%. Clear it? How will we do it? You know, the value of Gmm at this amount of the binder content has already been taken 2.670. Now, what will we do? We have compacted the specimen up to this gyration. When the specimen is compacted, sample number 1, sample number 2. Keep this thing in mind. When the specimen is compacted to the more number of the gyration, the amount of GMB is going to be increased. Now we will verify that how much increment is over here. Like now we are going to find out the value of the GMB. Like over here, dry weight as per normal, SSD weight, weight in water, then GMB. This is general formula which we have been using throughout our discussion. So, weight of the specimen A, B and C, it is equal to A over B minus C. Now let us see what will happen. Sample A, its weight is 4731 gram. 47 15 gram. Now when the SSD weight is taken, 47 46 gram, 47 32 gram. Next is the weight in water, 2917 and 2910. When these values are put in this equation, let me tell you, these are the values 3, A, B and C. When these three values are put in this equation, we are going to get the value of GMB. When it is compacted up to 160 gyration. 2.586. Value number 1. 2.588. And 2.587 is the our value. At Nmax is equal to 2.587. Clear it? This is my requirement. This value and this value. When these two values are available over here, then we can calculate the value of percentage GMM at Nmax. How will I do this one? It is equal to GMM, which is given over here, then this GMB at the rate of Nmax. Now multiply by 100. Now let us see what are the results. 2.587 over 2.670 into 100. And after making their calculation, the value comes out to be 96.8. And this value is less than 98%. Because my final value, which I had already explained to you, is 98%. And our calculator value should always be less than this one. It means my last condition is also fulfilled. So this is the last step for the verification of the mix time. Because we have done up to the maximum number of gyration compaction, and still we see that there is a provision. It's not going to exceed the limit. So it is our final accepted mix design verification. Thank you very much for seeing this.